Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and today I'm going to share my hair conditioning routine and would also be telling you 3 secret tips that everybody should follow while using hair conditioners. It will help the hair become much softer and more manageable. But if you haven't followed me on Instagram and Facebook, then do follow me right now and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Let's begin with rinsing off all the shampoo thoroughly. I have shampooed and rinsed my hair. Hair strands absorb a lot of water after all that shampoo and rinsing and become swollen. At times, hair swells up almost double their size. So to let the conditioner penetrate deep into the hair shaft, the next step is crucial. Tip number 1 is gently squeeze out all the water from your wet hair. No putting pressure, as the wet hair is also at its weakest. Since the hair is swollen with so much water already, squeezing will help out making space for the conditioner, and the hair will be able to absorb all the nutrients from the conditioner better. Now take your favorite conditioner in generous quantity. Yes, always use the conditioner generously because it's making a protective layer on your hair. So tip number 2 here is to apply the conditioner from hair roots to the hair tips in an up to down motion, as I am doing here on the screen. This motion would smooth out all the frizz causing baby hair, and when your hair dries after all this shampoo and conditioning routine, the hair will remain in a uniform fashion and not go haphazard, which will make the hair look messy. Tip number 3 is not to apply conditioner on the scalp. Yes, most people massage the conditioner into the scalp just as they do with the oil, but the fact remains that conditioner is meant only to be applied on the lens and never on the scalp. If not rinsed thoroughly, this conditioner can cause dandruff and clog the scalp pores, which can lead to itching. So it's highly recommended that you stick to only lens while applying conditioner and never apply any on the scalp. After 3 to 4 minutes, it's time to rinse off the conditioner. All the product should be washed out, and the direction to squeeze the water should be from up to down, just as we had applied the conditioner. In this way, it will cancel out any probable frizz. So guys, this is my hair after my shampoo and conditioning routine. I hope you found these tips useful. Let me know in the comment section if you spotted any difference in your hair once you follow these tips. So yeah, let me know, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.